How can I become a UX designer? I know to draw, so will I be a good fit to your team? These questions are asked by people who work within the design industry and folks who are from entirely different professions. The good news is that UX design is a field that welcomes people from diverse backgrounds, and there are many ways to transition into this field. Hello folks, this is Rajesh and welcome to VR This is the place where we provide real-world examples, advices and guides from our years of experience. As you watch this video, if you have any questions related to the topics I cover, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will respond promptly. Hit the subscribe button to see more authentic content on UX. Let's look into how you could become a UX designer. People who wish to become UX designers typically fall into two categories. One is designers from other discipline and the second one is folks from other profession but aspire to work as a UX designer. Before we dive deep into this, let me address a question that I encountered almost all the time. Are drawing skills necessary for UX design? UX design involves a range of skills. Drawing skills may come in handy in some situations, such as sketching rough ideas or creating quick wireframes, icons, etc. But they are not an essential skill. The most important skill for a UX designer is the ability to empathize with the users, a deep understanding of user needs and behaviors. So, if you do not have drawing skills, it is perfectly okay, as there are many other skills that are more important in UX design. You can learn and develop those skills through practice, training, and continuous learning. If you are considering making a switch to UX design, you are not alone. You are joining a growing community of professionals who are passionate about creating products that solve real-world problems and enhance the user experience. In the recent years, there has been a significant trend of people transitioning into UX design. These folks may come from graphic design, product design, architecture, or even from other professions such as content writing, administration, engineering, etc. You may be wondering, how can someone with no prior experience in design become a successful UX designer? The answer lies in transferable skills. Many skills that are valuable in other professions can also be applied into UX design. For example, communication skills are essential in UX design. If you have experience in marketing or sales, you may already have strong communication skills that can be leveraged in UX design. You can articulate your design decisions and collaborate effectively with other team members. Another example of transferable skill is problem solving. If you have worked in a field where you had solved complex problems, you may already have the analytical and critical thinking skill needed for UX design. Designers from other disciplines often have a diverse set of skill and knowledge that can complement UX design. For example, a graphic designer may have experience in typography, color theory, or visual storytelling that can enhance the visual design aspects of UX. Architects can apply their skill in spatial design to user flows and information architecture. Game designers can bring their understanding of player psychology and engagement to UX design. I myself is an example. I started as a graphic designer but later transitioned to UX design. Regardless of one's prior experience, the transition steps for moving into UX design are almost similar. Designers from other disciplines have experience in design tools and some understanding of design process, but may lack the specific knowledge and skills required to UX design. On the other hand, individuals from entirely different industry may be new to design and UX. The first step is to gain a basic understanding of the principles and practices of UX design. This will help you determine if it's a good fit for you. There are multiple ways to learn UX design. One normal way of learning. If you have the means, it is highly recommended to take a break from your current career and enroll in a formal UX program offered by top tier institutions. We discussed the details of this program in our previous video, which you can access through the link that is provided in the description below. 2. Self-learning. You can start by reading online resources, watching videos related to UX on YouTube, and taking online certifications. Familiarize with the process, terms used, etc. This will give you a basic understanding of the concepts, principles, and methodologies used in UX design. After that, start practicing what you have learned through projects and personal experimentation. This will be a cycle: learning, practicing, learning, practicing. Once you are in the cycle, practice with design challenges. There are plenty of online resources that provide design challenges that you can work on. You can even try redesigning an application or a website following the UX process that you have learned. These challenges can help you develop your skill and give you experience working on real-world UX design problems. By working on such projects will help you in creating your portfolio. In the meantime, try attending design events and workshops which will help you stay updated with the latest trend and best practices in UX design. This will also help you create a network with other designers and professionals in the industry. This will help you in getting feedback on your work and find a mentor who can guide you in your learning process. Learning UX by yourself can take time and effort, but it's a great option for those who are self-motivated and have a passion for learning. 3. By finding a right mentor. Some people who want to transition will find it difficult to learn things by themselves and will require a helping hand to get started and to navigate them through the path. Like we already said in our previous videos, there are a number of free platforms available like adplist.org, designer.org, where you can find experienced professionals working in various multinationals who are ready to mentor you. The first step is to network with these professionals. You can also use LinkedIn as a tool for networking. When selecting a mentor, it is essential to look for someone who has experience and expertise you are seeking. A good mentor can help you improve your UX skill in many ways. They can provide feedback on your designs, offer advice on project management, and share their knowledge about the industry and the latest trends. They can also help you develop your soft skills like communication and collaboration, which are essential to success in any role. It is crucial to approach the relationship with openness and a willingness to learn. Be clear about your goals and what you hope to gain from the mentorship. Listen to their feedback and take their guidance seriously. And don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification when you need it. With the guidance of a good mentor, you can take your UX skill a new height and make a positive impact. On the other hand, if you prefer in-person learning, you can attend boot camps. These are short-term intensive programs that offer hands-on training in UX design. Boot camps typically last for a few weeks or months and are designed to teach you the essential skills needed to become a user experience designer. Bootcamps also provide opportunities for networking and collaborating with other aspiring UX designers. Building relationships with others in the field can help you stay informed about other job opportunities and industry trends. If you are looking to break into UX industry, it is essential to have a strong portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. Your portfolio should include a variety of projects that demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in UX design. It is important to start building your portfolio early on by taking freelance or pro bono projects. These opportunities can provide valuable experience and help you refine your skills. Remember, when applying for UX design jobs, a resume without portfolio is likely to be automatically rejected. So, invest the time and effort in creating a robust portfolio that highlights your ability and set you apart from the competition. Our YouTube channel is focused on making UX education more accessible and inclusive for learners across the world. We believe that everyone, regardless of background or financial status, should have access to high quality education and guidance. If you are interested in UX design, we hold free UX workshops and guidance every quarter. Follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram through the link in the description and stay updated. See you in the next video.